This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Smith Mountain Lake real estate property video is presented by Dana Montgomery. Looking for gorgeous lake and mountain views with true one-level living? You've found it. This move-in ready home sits on nearly an acre with beautiful views and a bright, open floor plan that feels spacious and welcoming from the moment you walk in. Out back, you'll find the perfect spot on the knoll for a patio, fire pit, hot tub, or even a cozy gazebo, ideal for soaking in the peaceful surroundings. Inside, the split-bedroom layout offers privacy, featuring a large owner's suite with lake views and a corner gas log fireplace for those cozy evenings. The kitchen opens to the great room and dining area, complete with all appliances, including a new dishwasher, so you can start cooking right away. A nice-sized laundry room includes new washer and dryer, and the attached garage offers for more